All right, here's a demo of the AI assistant that I created for myself. Um, it's basically its goal is to show off what it can do, what's possible for you and anybody else that might want an AI receptionist. I've learned it's kind of hard to get it right, to tweak it. I like to use Vapey. Vapey's been the best. I try to code it myself. I've tried to go through N8N or Make. It's just the latency and just the lag is horrible. And Vapey has it pretty down packed. The cost is about 20-25 cents for 5 minutes. And so I'll give it a call. I have my calendar up so that way I'm gonna try to book an appointment that's already set. It will recognize that. I'm gonna use the name Javier Rodriguez that has a different spelling to see if it will make sure it spells my name correctly, and just inputs everything that I need for the appointment.
Hi, thanks for calling Labs International. I'm Jackson, your AI assistant. What's your name?
My name's Javier.
Nice to meet you, Javier. What kind of business are you running?
I have a plumbing company, excuse me.
No problem at all, Javier. Thanks for clarifying. What's eating up most of your time each day? Customer follow-ups, scheduling, data entry, or something else?
I need someone to handle my inbound calls so I don't miss appointments. If it's an emergency, if they have a busted pipe or flooding or something of that nature, I need it forwarded to my on-call tech or to myself. And as far as also scheduling just regular appointments that may not be an emergency, but I like to also send out an automated review after the job is done so that I can hopefully get positive reviews.
Here's how we'd automate that for you. We can answer your inbound calls, screen for emergencies like busted pipes or flooding, and automatically route urgent cases to your on-call tech or to you. For non-emergencies, we'd schedule appointments right into your calendar and send out automated review requests after each job, so you get more positive feedback without lifting a finger. Would you like to see a full demo of how this works?
I would.
I have 11 a.m. or 1 p.m. available tomorrow. Which works better for you?
What about 10 a.m.?
Tomorrow at 10 a.m. is already booked. 11 a.m. is open, or if you need earlier, I can do 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.
What about
Would
2?
one of those work?
What about 2 p.m. tomorrow?
Tomorrow at 2 p.m. is also booked. I do have 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. available. Which works better for you?
Man, y'all are pretty busy. I guess this AI automation is a pretty good thing, huh?
Thanks, Javier. We do stay busy helping businesses like yours save time. Would you like to go with 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. tomorrow?
Yeah, let's do 1 p.m.
Great. What's the best phone number for you?
832-779-5906.
Let me confirm. 832-779-5906.
That's correct.
Thanks. What's your email address? Please say it once, then spell it out.
It's kingsngreen@gmail.com. So that's KINGSINGREEN@gmail.com.
So that's kingsongreen@gmail.com, correct?
Correct.
Thanks, Javier. Is that Javier with J as in Javier or Xavier with X? And how do you spell your last name?
It's pronounced Javier, but it's with the X. Xavier. And my last name is Rodriguez. Rodriguez.
Thank you, Xavier. Just to confirm, your business, should I list it as plumbing company? Or do you have a specific business name?
My business name is actually Rodriguez Plumbing.
Do you have a website for your business?
Yes, rodriguezplumbing.com. So that's RODRIGUEZ plumbing.com.
So that's rodriguezplumbing.com, correct?
Correct.
Perfect. You're all set for tomorrow at 1 p.m. You'll get an email confirmation shortly. Looking forward to showing you how this works, Xavier. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. See you tomorrow at 1 p.m. Have a great day, Xavier.
Okay, so it kept calling me Xavier, even though it was Javier. But It got the information right. I tried to book for 10. It took it, or obviously saw that it was already booked. Here's my timestamp. Time the call came in. Name, phone number, email, name of the business, the industry, the problem, which I love. So handles inbound calls. It summarized all the problems, and then momentarily it's going to book this. Got the website, time, date. It will book it to my calendar. It'll come in 1 p.m. It should pop up here. But what we can also do after this comes in, I can set an automation to send an email as well, to customize an email. It lets me know what the problem is, so I can get ready for the call and show people how we're going to automate and how I'm going to help them out. Hope this helps. If it's something that you feel like would work for you, just give me a call or let me know. Thank you.